Heavenly Father, I pray say this video go meet the person we truly need am. Hi, welcome to class. My name is Coach Tumininu and I'm happy that you are here with me. Today we'll be talking about alphabet. You won't learn how to read and write, you sef won't get confident. Make I tell you, building wey go fine, you go get block oh. And this alphabet now it be like building block where everybody wey wan know how to read and write must know. So for this journey the 26 alphabets, we go know am, we go sabi write am, we go know how to sound it, and how these things will come together to pronounce words, to write sentences, so that you sef you go sabi. Oh, make we pronounce them again. Alphabet. Talk am again. Alphabet. Talk am now. Alphabet. Remember say I talk say na 26 alphabets na im we get for English language. Join me, like and subscribe. Follow me for more as I walk you through this part, as you go take dey learn how to read and write. Once again, my name is Coach Tumininu.